So this is an urgent update, everybody, because we might have the squeeze before 2 weeks from the election, guys. So it is getting tight right now inside this channel. So we have first, the last squeeze that we had, it was down. The price went down. Someone bought big time, big whale around the 26. We entered in this channel back in mid of October. Then we got the short seller added their position around the 32.70. And guess what? The good thing is we have a big buyer around the 29. So we have a big buyer here around the 25. Next buyer came around the 29. So you see the scenario, guys, we're doing higher lows. So every dip is being bought by a big whale. So guys, hit the like button and subscribe, because we always go live every day and discuss DJT and mini stock every day, where we discuss today PHUN around this breakout and hit our profit taking before the market close, of course, around the 842. And we discuss, of course, the live streaming over there on our Discord picture. The link in comment section below if you want to join. In the meantime, guys, this is an urgent update. You know why? Because we might have the squeeze before the election day, which is after 2 weeks from now. The reason is because we have a buyer, as we said, every day we have a big buyer. So we might have, even by tomorrow or this week, a gap up in the pre-market or a breakout from this, the orange box, as you can see, where the short seller will cover their position. The best case scenario is gapping up over the 34, 37. Because if we have this reaction, we're gonna squeeze early in pre-market. If we didn't, it means we're gonna have this scenario trending in this channel until we get in near the breakout zone, which is the 32.74 and the 34.28. So this is the area where we should squeeze. So let me show you how much we're missing here. We're missing at least 10% for DJT to squeeze over the 34 and go toward this target, guys. This is the first target where we're gonna head for DJT around the 38 and 42 first, because here we're gonna have a huge wick and the price have to pull back to consolidate, because we've got 2 weeks left. So this is not the squeeze, because if the election was positive for Donald Trump, and of course Donald Trump been elected again to be a president of the United States, we're gonna have a nice jump after that from the 42. We're gonna discuss this after that happened, but for meantime we need to squeeze and break this orange box, which getting near. The good thing, as we said, we have another channel, which is good indication that there's a buyer buying DJT slowly. So the scenario might happen. We might have the squeeze before the 2 weeks from now, or before even the election, a squeeze at least toward the 42. And beyond that, we might have a huge squeeze before even the jump. It happened for many stocks that have earnings and have major news. They pump before even the news. Then it might pull back after the news hit, where we have the election. If positive, we might continue the squeeze. If negative, we might have a huge dump down. So now we might have the squeeze before the election, because some of you waiting for election day or waiting for another dip. We might never have another dip, guys, because as you see here, every dip has been already bought back. And how we confirm that? Of course, holding this channel, inside this channel, and breaking this orange box, which will confirm my analysis that DJT will squeeze before even the election after 2 weeks from now. Let me know, guys, are we gonna have the squeeze before the election before 2 weeks from now, or we're gonna have a pullback before the election and then squeeze? So let me know in comment section below. Are we gonna squeeze before the 2 weeks, or are we gonna break the 34.28 before 2 weeks from now or not? Let's see who's gonna be right 2 weeks from now. Let me know, guys, in comment section below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.